Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block ads on Facebook. If you are tired of seeing too many ads while scrolling through your feed, there are a few tricks to minimize or block them. So let's dive right in. First, open up the Facebook app on your phone. And once you are on Facebook, tap on the three lines at the top right corner of the screen. And now tap on the gear icon at the top right. In the Settings and Privacy menu, you will see Account Center. In this section, tap on See More in Account Center. In the Account Center, you have to simply scroll down and tap on Add Preferences. And now you will see two different tabs. Tap on the second tab and then tap on the first option that says Categories Used to Reach You. In this section, you can control how Facebook uses your data for ads. And now, what you have to do is to simply select No in these four options. Once you have done that, you will see an option that says View and Manage. Go ahead and tap on that. And now, simply remove all these categories associated with you. Remove all of them one by one. And that's it. While you can't completely block all ads on Facebook, these steps will help reduce them and make your experience more better. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.